pediatric emergency in our pediatric, and after this the pediatric will be khatam. So next let's see 233. Which of the following are not correct about ABCD in pediatrics advanced life support? So look, PALS, that is pediatric advanced life support. बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट हमने पढ़ा था, एडवांस्ड लाइफ सपोर्ट हमने पढ़ा था एडल्ट में, बट ये दिस इज द पेडियाट्रिक एडवांस्ड लाइफ सपोर्ट. सो इसमें ABCDE में जनरली विच इज नॉट करेक्ट यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है. सो A फॉर एयरवे, दैट इज राइट. ठीक है, चलो पहले मैं दिखाई देता हूँ. सो लुक, in this pediatric wala portion, D is for disability and not for dehydration. D is for disability. Look, effort for breathing, airway and breathing में जनरली हमको क्या देखना है? effort of breathing, respiratory rate देखना है, stridor और wheeze, auscultation and skin color will be seen here. Circulation के केस में there will be, you must see heart rate, pulse volume, capillary refill and skin temperature. Disability A, B, C, D. So A, B, C. Next that is C and this is D. So D में जनरली क्या होगा? Conscious level. D is for disability. So here you will see the consciousness level, posture and pupils. E for exposure and that is nothing but fever, rash and bruising. ठीक है, fever, rash and bruising. So यहाँ पे देखो A for airway, B for breathing, ठीक है, C for circulation, D for dehydration. This will be disability. So D is for disability in the PALS. आगे देखो, according to the neonatal resuscitation protocol, chest compression is initiated at heart rate of, chest compression कितने heart rate पे जनरली, according to neonatal resuscitation कितने heart rate पे जनरली हम क्या करेंगे? चेस्ट कंप्रेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी द होल मैनेजमेंट थिंग. यहाँ पे देखो, चेक द चेस्ट मूवमेंट, वेंटिलेशन, करेक्टिव स्टेप्स इफ नीडेड, ETT और लेंजियल मास्क इफ नीडेड. इफ इट इज नॉट नीडेड एंड द हार्ट रेट इज बिलो 60 मिनट, इफ इट इज बिलो 60 पर मिनट, देन इंटूबेट इफ नॉट ऑलरेडी डन एंड चेस्ट कंप्रेशन कोऑर्डिनेट विद PPV 100% ऑक्सीजन, ECG मॉनिटर, कंसिडर इमरजेंसी UBC. आगे देखो, इफ हार्ट रेट बिलो 60 पर मिनट अगर है तो जनरली नाउ स्टिल बिलो 60 पर मिनट IV एपिनेफ्रिन, एंड इफ हार्ट रेट परसिस्टेंटली बिलो 60 पर मिनट कंसीडर हाइपोवोलेमिया, कंसीडर न्यूमोथोरैक्स ऑल्सो. सो यहाँ पे देखो कितने पे देना, हमको याद करना है दिस 60. सो दिस इज गिवन एट द हार्ट रेट ऑफ 60 पर मिनट. नेक्स्ट देखो, अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यूनेटल रिससिटेशन प्रोटोकॉल, how much oxygen is to be given in a term neonate with apnea and bradycardia initially? How much oxygen is to be given? So at the start of the bag and mask ventilation, room air is used, which is generally nothing but 21% generally oxygen. Later oxygen can be attached at the port behind the ambu bag to increase the FiO2 delivered. So कितना देना है? 21%. आगे देखो, a term baby is apneic and has a heart rate of generally 90 per minute. Bag and mask ventilation was given for 30 seconds. Bag and mask was given for 30 seconds. Subsequently, the heart rate is still less than 100 beat per minute. What is the next step? So the next step will be check the chest movement to take the ventilation corrective step. Chest movement को देखना है. In neonate, which is the indication for the chest compression? So for the chest compression in neonate, ambu bag ventilation for 30 seconds with heart rate of generally 50. ठीक है, this will be generally the case. आगे देखो, in neonatal resuscitation, which is correct? In neonatal resuscitation, put cold water on back. Not, you should not do this. Next देखो, slap on back. No. Tickle the soul. Yes, this can be good for the neonatal resuscitation. Suspend head down. This is also not at all generally advised. यहाँ देखो, immediately after the birth, an infant is in need of resuscitation. Infant in need of resuscitation should be placed under a radiant heater and dried to avoid hypothermia. Positioned head down and slightly extended. The airway cleared by suctioning and gentle tactile stimulation provided. Slapping of the foot, rubbing the generally back simultaneously. The infant's collar, heart rate and respiratory effort should be assessed. ठीक है, along with doing all those things. So in neonatal resuscitation, tickle the soul, tickle the soul. The ratio of chest compression to breathing in neonatal life support. The ratio of chest compression to breathing. Chest compression to breathing is generally 3 compression in about 2 seconds followed by 1 breath. So 3:1, 3:1. In pediatric resuscitation with single rescuer. Single rescuer में 30:2 पे जाएंगे. In adult again 30:2 पे with single और double rescuer, किसी में भी हम उतने में ही जाएंगे. आगे चलिए देखते हैं. So I think this is all. So we have ended the whole pediatrics. The end. So we have completed the whole pediatrics. Now you just let me know which topic you want me to start now. You want me to do orthopedics or you want me to do ophthalmology? And उसके बाद तो सिर्फ 2 बच जाएगा, मेडिसिन एंड जनरली द सर्जरी. सो आगे आप ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी करना चाहोगे या फिर orthopedics, that depends on you, and you should just write it down in the comment box. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next video. ठीक है?